Hi, everyone. If the repost button on your Instagram has disappeared, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple ways to bring it back in less than 2 minutes. Method 1. Update the app. Many times this issue happens because you're using an old version. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search Instagram, and tap Update. New features like Repost usually come with updates. Method 2. Check content eligibility. Not every post can be reposted. If the account is private or the creator has turned off reshare and remix, the option won't appear. Try a few different public posts before assuming it's your app. Method 3. Check your sharing setting. If people can't repost your content, you may have disabled Allow others to share or remix. Go into your settings and make sure these options are turned on. Method 4. Report a problem. As a last step, report the issue to Instagram. Open Settings, go to Help, select Report a Problem, and attach a short screen recording showing the missing button. This helps Instagram review your account faster. That's it. With these 4 quick fixes, you should be able to get the repost button back. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.